5 tips to introduce yourself confidently.
Hello. Do you feel nervous when you meet new people? Don't worry today. I will teach you 5 simple tips to introduce yourself with confidence. Whether you're in school, job interview, at work, or meeting new friends, these tips will help you make a great first impression. The way you present yourself sets the tone for every interaction that follows. Introducing yourself is more than just saying your name. It's about making a lasting impression. Think about it. First impressions are formed in just seconds, and they can shape how people perceive you for a long time. That's why today we're diving into 5 simple, relatable tips to help you introduce yourself with ease, confidence, and authenticity. Let's get started. Tip 1. Smile and make eye contact. A smile is universally welcoming. It instantly puts people at ease and makes you appear friendly and approachable. The way you present yourself sets the tone for every interaction that follows. Pair that with good eye contact, and you've already set a positive tone for the conversation. Why does this work? Smiling releases endorphins, reducing your own nervousness. Eye contact shows confidence and helps build trust. For an example, imagine you're at a networking event or a party. Instead of looking down or away, you confidently say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. It's great to meet you," while smiling and maintaining eye contact. Easy trick. If looking in the eyes is hard, look at their nose or forehead. It feels easier. This small gesture makes you memorable and encourages the other person to engage with you. Tip 2. Keep it simple. Many people make the mistake of overcomplicating their introductions. They use big words, jargon, or long sentences, which can confuse the listener. Don't use big, confusing words. Just say your name and one important thing about you. The key? Clarity and brevity. Example, job interview. I possess exceptional skills in multiple methodologies. Too complicated. Just say, I'm good at finding simple solutions to problems. The second version is clear, relatable, and easy to understand. When introducing yourself, state your name. Briefly mention something relevant, e.g. your role, interest, or reason for being there. Keep it under 15-20 seconds. Tip 3. Practice your introduction before you go. Even the most confident speakers rehearse before important moments. If you're nervous, practice at home. Say your introduction out loud until it feels easy. Practicing helps you reduce nervousness because you know exactly what to say. Refine your wording so it sounds natural. Adjust your tone to sound friendly and engaging. Example, family gathering. Before the event, practice saying, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I just graduated and I'm excited to start my new job." Or, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I just finished school and I love painting." The more you practice, the less nervous you'll feel. By rehearsing, you'll avoid awkward pauses and feel more at ease. Fun exercise. Record yourself introducing yourself on your phone. Watch it back. Do you sound confident and warm? Adjust as needed. Tip 4. Share something fun about you. Adding a personal touch makes your introduction memorable and gives people an easy way to connect with you. People remember you better if you say something interesting or fun. Example, if you are in a team meeting, you could say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I love hiking, and last month I climbed my first mountain." This sparks conversation. Maybe someone else loves hiking too, or they'll ask about your experience. Example 2. Maybe you are in a classroom. You could say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I have a cute dog named Max." Now, people might ask you about your doggy way to start a conversation. Other fun fact ideas. A hobby you're passionate about. Example, I love playing soccer. I can cook delicious pasta. A unique travel experience. A fun skill, e.g., I can solve a Rubik's Cube in under a minute. Tip 5. Be authentic. Just be yourself. The most important rule of all, be yourself. Don't pretend to be someone else. People like real, honest people. They can sense when someone is trying too hard or being insincere. Why authenticity matters. It builds genuine connections. It makes you more relatable. It reduces pressure. You don't have to perform. For example, new class introduction. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm really passionate about graphic design and video editing. I'm looking forward to learning with all of you. This shows your true self and invites others to connect with you naturally. Example 2. When you meet new friends. You could say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a little shy, but I love making new friends." It's okay to be nervous, just be kind and yourself. Final thoughts. Introducing yourself confidently isn't about perfection, it's about connection. Every great friendship, job opportunity, or meaningful conversation starts with a simple, "Hi, I'm your name." So the next time you're in a new situation, 1. Take a deep breath. 2. Smile and make eye contact. 3. Pine. Keep it simple and authentic. Practice before you go. Share something fun about you. Be yourself, you are great, just the way you are. Remember, everyone feels a little nervous, sometimes 7 the most outgoing people. But with these tips, you'll be able to introduce yourself with confidence and leave a positive, lasting impression. Next time you meet someone new, take a deep breath and try these tips. You'll do amazing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories and see you in the next video. Tayan. Happy learning. Bye.